What is the present perfect? Part 3. In Part 1, we looked at how we can use the present perfect to talk about experiences we've had up till now. In Part 2, we looked at how we can use the present perfect to talk about an action that started in the past and is still happening in the present. In Part 3, we are going to look at how to use the present perfect in the negative form and other everyday situations where we would normally use the present perfect. Question: have you been to Japan? Now, one answer could be no, I haven't, and that's the short answer. But to give a longer answer, you can say no, I haven't been before. When you use the negative form, you are saying that the action did not happen. Now, the structure is subject plus has or have plus not plus past participle plus object. Now, when it comes to the negative, has not can become hasn't, and have not can become haven't. Examples: I haven't been to Greece. She hasn't worked there before. He hasn't seen the film. We haven't done that before. They haven't left the party. As for other situations where we can use the present perfect, we can use them for actions that have just happened. The rule: we can ask the question with a present simple and respond with a present perfect. To emphasize the action was very recent, we add the word just. The structure: has or have plus just plus past participle. Examples: question, where's John? Answer, he's just gone to the bathroom. Question, is Mary still here? Answer, she's just left. Question, where are you? Answer, I've just gone to the shops. We use the present perfect because the effect is still felt in the present, as shown by these 3 examples. Video challenge. Complete the sentences on the next slide. You need to either create a negative sentence or you need to add the word just. For example, I blank an apple before. Here we need to think of the negative and the verb use, which is I haven't used an apple before. For the second one, because it's a recent action with the verb go, it's she's just gone to the bathroom. Complete the following sentences: A, B, C, and D. That's correct. A, I haven't tried skydiving before. B, she's just left the office. C, we haven't seen Wales before. And D, he's just gone to get the car. Can you make your own negative present perfect sentences, as well as adding the word just in a present perfect sentence? Leave your answers in the comments section below. Like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Visit our website to find out how you can have lessons in Malta with us. And thanks for watching. Learn English in Malta with us.